Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between Kraken or MEXC. So after this video, hopefully you know which platform or which crypto broker will fit you the best. And before I start with the comparison, I need to tell you two things. One, I want to do a disclaimer because I won't tell you which crypto broker is better because both are insane, and I just tell you which one fits for you the best. The second thing is I made more than 1,000 videos about crypto brokers and I tried both. So I try to tell you with my experience which application is the best. And to do it a little bit specific and in a good line, I wrote down 6 or 5 things that I need to tell you if you want to choose between those applications. So the first thing is the main focus on Kraken is having a good security, and you can invest very easily on Kraken. So if you want to invest on the long term, I recommend you to use Kraken. On MEXC, MEXC is a little bit more focused on altcoins and active trading. So if you want to do daily trades and want to trade more often than once a day or maybe once a week, then I recommend you to choose MEXC. Then right here, what I already told you is Kraken is for the long-term holders. So if you have a long-term vision, I recommend you to use Kraken. And the MEXC is more for altcoin traders, so for quick traders. The trading tools are on Kraken strong, so it's good enough to start with. And on MEXC, it's very advanced. So when you're an advanced trader, I recommend you to choose right here MEXC, because on MEXC you have more advanced options. Then if you go right to the interface, Kraken is more professional and MEXC is fast and future rich based. And if you go to the fees, Kraken has pretty good fees, if I be honest with you, and MEXC has lower fees overall. So when you trade a lot or when you want to do daily trades, I recommend you to use MEXC. So a quick summary: if you want to trade and maybe you're a beginner and want to trade with the basics, choose Kraken. And if you're a little bit more experienced and want to day trade with altcoins and wants to do more on very advanced trading tools, I recommend you to do MEXC. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.